It's recording, so put it up.
Make sure I'm in it.
This is where you're gonna be, right here. Are you in there? Are you sure you're in there? Okay, try it. Try what? Get up and see. Oh. Not you.
Yeah, you're in there.
Am I in there, my baby? Yeah, you're good. Okay. Alright. Count 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Hey there, Diana, what's it like in Ukraine? You're 1,000 miles away and you left old poor Corinna all alone. You should probably write a letter home. I want my own. Hey there, Vitaly, don't you worry about the distance. Have any girls from the discoteca in stilettos milking cows walked up to you? Nobody kills bears like you do with a sharp harpoon. What else is there to do? 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 I can't focus. Ben? Sorry. 1, 2, 3. Hey there, Ben. Being away from home is hard, but just believe me when I sing. Mother is a hill, you'll be alright. You'll still have time to fly a kite. You know I'm right. Hey there, Vic. I've got so much left to say. If every simple word I sing would sound like Lana Del Rey, I'd sing it all. Have you gotten my letters at all? You wear your shawl. Why don't you write to me? Oh, why don't you write to me? Why don't you write to me? Oh, why don't you write to me? Why don't you write to me? 1,000 miles seems pretty far, but they've got planes and trains and cars. I'd walk to you if I had no other way. Our friends could hang out with us and we could laugh with them because their jokes are stupid and don't make no sense. Honestly, I promise you that by the time that we get through, the world will never ever be the same. 'Cause life's a game. Hey there, Alosha, you be good and don't you miss me. A decade plus and you'll be done with school, and I'll be making history like I do, and like you probably do too. We can do whatever we want to. Hey there, you guys, we sing to you. This one's for you. Oh, it's what you do. Oh, that was almost good. Don't you stop. You want to start? Oh, it's what you do? No, we're starting this over. Every time we sing it, we get